Hello, and welcome to Project 340. Brian found and inquired about this little forgotten nugget of history, so we went to look at it, and he loved it, so we picked it up for him. First, some history on the vehicle. It's a 1984 Volvo 340 1.4, which had a genuine 67,000 miles on the clock, with all the paperwork to back it up. We got back, but realised it was going to need some work. The wings, door and rear arches all had rusted. So we decided it was easier to drift than to restore. First mod was the wheels, as I had them taking up space and had no use for them, perfect to donate to the cause as they just so happened to be the right bolt pattern. Then to stage 1 with the blend, stripping it to see how bad the rust was. After going back and forth with ideas, we decided to start the journey towards BDC rules and regulations. The rust on the interior wasn't that bad, but it still needed some attention. Whilst the interior was fully out, we ran the wire for a battery relocation behind the driver's seat, and I started to chop out the unnecessary spaghetti Volvo of the 80s called a wiring loom. As I was busy with the loom, Ryan set about removing some of the sound deadening materials. Then we made sure the dash still went back in, just to soften the harsh race car feel, as one day we wanted to attempt our interior. Of course, being the professionals that we are, we kept every screw, nut, bolt in a tub so we avoided any unneeded accidents. Stage 2 was a little bit more perilous. Bumpers, bonnet and engine needed to come out to make room for, well, we hadn't made that decision at this point, but we needed to get it out because race car. There is nothing wrong with this engine, it started and ran unassisted. Ran like a dream, but unfortunately that dream wasn't 400 plus horsepower. No, that dream was a mere 74 ponies from factory. Also, in taking out the engine, we removed the subframes and took as much rust off as humanly and machinely possible, and we gave it a fresh new paint job in an anti-corrosion powder blue paint. But being the ultimate professionals we were, we forgot to drain the oil before pulling the engine out. A superfluous job, but it needed to be done. In taking the engine out, however, one of the kind Owners Club people was interested in the engine to save it rotting away in a garage to be forgotten. It was strapped to a pallet and awaiting its journey around the UK. If you are interested, we have a few parts awaiting a new home. But that's it from us for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.